Welcome to RunnerTrack's CSUB's Organizational Training and Leadership Series. This module is an introduction to RunnerSync, the organizational management software powered by the Presence platform. We will go over how to manage your club page, how to create forums, and how and when to enter events. To get to the RunnerSync page, go to csub.edu, click Current Students. There will be a link to RunnerSync on the left under Quick Links. This takes you to the RunnerSync landing page. We will go over the features across the top called the navigation bar a little later. Click the button at the top right to log in, and let's scroll down. If you are logged in, you will see your name and email with the link to take you to your profile page. Your profile page is where you can see your history of campus involvement, including event attendance, club membership, and positions held. It also shows forms you've submitted or were saved as drafts. Below that is a list of clubs for which you are currently a member. To the right, you'll see a few featured organizations. These organizations will be different every time you refresh the page. Further down and to the left, there will be a window that shows events that are happening at the time you visit the page. If there's more than one, it will cycle through them. Other upcoming events are below. To the right is a feature called Experiences. Experience types are the names of leadership programs organized by the Office of Student Involvement. Featured experiences are the modules that are required to progress through the programs. Below featured experiences is an area for featured campus forms. These can include club registration forms, surveys, applications for leadership awards, and more. On the bottom left, you'll see links to app stores to download the CSUB mobile app and feeds from Facebook and Twitter. Instagram can be connected to Facebook, so it also shows up here. Let's go back to the top and work our way across the navigation bar. Organizations will show you a tile for every organization, whether it's a campus department or program, registered student org, a university-sponsored or honors org, or a fraternity and sorority life org. You can sort by these categories or other areas of interest like sports or academics. By clicking the list icon, you'll see a list of clubs instead of tiles. In list mode, you'll be able to see the club's category and areas of interest, meeting time and location, and number of members. Under the Events tab, you can see a full list of events happening both on and off campus. You can filter the results of the list by date, organizations, and more, even free food. Notice that the majority of events have blue placeholder images. Those are events that were entered into a program used for on-campus events called 25 Live. 25 Live events are ported over to RunnerSync automatically so event organizers can track attendance. The events with photos may have been entered directly into RunnerSync or came from 25 Live and were then edited to add the photos. RunnerSync forums are used for gathering information. Clubs can change the visibility settings of forums to change who can see and submit the form. Forms created by the Student Union, the Office of Student Involvement, and ASI that are marked as campus-wide will appear here. If you click the Opportunities tab, there are drop-down items called Experiences. In this case, the experience is the Leader Program, which is broken down into Bronze, Silver, Gold, and Platinum achievement levels. To complete each achievement level, students will attend workshops, watch and discuss videos, write reflections, and eventually lead their own workshops. Future experiences will include a RunnerTracks program that includes training videos like this one, community service hours tracking, and more. Resources is a series of links to forms and documents frequently used by RunnerSync page administrators. There are links to financial forms along with examples of those forms, a link to 25 Live, and a download link for the RunnerSource Student Organizations Handbook, which is the comprehensive guide to running a club. That's your introduction to RunnerSync. If you are logged in and you have been given administrator access to any organization, you will see Admin Dashboard as an option. If you should have admin access and this option doesn't appear, email us at getinvolved@csub.edu and we will edit your access. Here are a few last thoughts about the intro to RunnerSync. In order to track your involvement, the event has to be in RunnerSync and you have to be checked in as an attendee. If there's an event you want added to your involvement tracking and this doesn't happen, contact us at getinvolved@csub.edu. Anyone, even non-students, can see the RunnerSync front page and an organization's front page, constitution, and charter letter. Organizations' agendas and minutes should also be visible. Organizations may have events, forms, and documents that are only visible to students, only club members, or only club admin. The public accessible pages are for viewing only. Changes have to be made through the admin dashboard. Thank you for watching our RunnerTracks Officer Training and Leadership video for Intro to RunnerSync. Please return to the RunnerTracks forum, answer a few questions about this video, and submit the form. If you have questions or want more information, email us at getinvolved@csub.edu, and please watch our other RunnerTracks videos.